Oh,
Good day. I am Nico Paulo Emanchangco from 4 Maxwell, and I'm here to discuss to you about derivatives. So, derivative is a measure of how a function changes as its input changes.
go,
Differentiation. Differentiation is the process of finding derivative.
go,
Derivative of a constant.
go,
Example, y is equal to 8 plus 5. So in order to find the derivative of y is equal to 8 plus 5, we will use the derivative of a constant rule. So this will be y prime equals 0. So y prime equals 0 is now the answer.
go,
Another example, y is equal to 3 pi. So in order to find the derivative of y is equal to 3 pi, we will also use the derivative of a constant. So to find this, thus the derivative of 3 pi is 0.
go,
Derivative of a power.
go,
In order to find the example given, we will use the derivative of a power. So the given is y is equal to 6x cubed plus 8x squared plus 9x. So we will use the derivative of a power. So I will show you how. So we will multiply first that 3 by 6. So it will become 18x. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. We will subtract the exponent by 1. So next, 2 times 8 is 16. X. And the exponent minus 1 is 1. So we will not write it anymore. Understand. So 9x. So the exponent here is 1. And minus 1 is equal to 0. So when the exponent is equal to 0, the x will be 1. It will become 1. So it will become 9 times 1. So it will become 9 only. So the answer is y prime is equal to 18x squared plus 16x plus 9. Other example, y is equal to 6x to the fourth minus x squared plus x. So we will use again the derivative of a power. So we will multiply 4 by 6 and it will become 24x. Then 4 for the exponent minus 1, it will become 3. So next is 2 times negative 1, it will become negative 2. Then x, 2 minus 1, 1. And this one, we will use the constant rule. So it will become 1. So the answer for this equation is, the derivative is y prime is equal to 24x cubed minus 2x plus 1. High order derivative. So we will get first the derivative of the first derivative. So 3 times 1 is 3x. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 4 times 2, 8x. Minus. So this part is a constant. So we will not write anymore that. So the first order derivative is 3x squared plus 8x. We will now get the second derivative. So 2 times 3, 6. X. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will not write it anymore. So 8x will become 8. So this is now the second order derivative.